Okay, now we are on to day 24, and with less than a week left, I'm not saying that I'm definitely going to finish. I don't want to jinx it, but it's actually looking pretty good. I'm sort of excited. Trying not to get too excited. Ah! Anyway, right. So, on to the sky blue. This one was another difficult one for me. I don't know why I'm having so much trouble with these last few colors. Yesterday aside, it seems like I'm always struggling for what to draw the past like 5 days. It's sort of getting frustrating. Anyway, I eventually settled on blue orchids, you know, like the ones that you see in the store sometimes. I usually see the darker jewel-toned blue ones, but I have seen something similar to this color before, which is why I ultimately decided to go for this. It's sort of another cop-out image in my head, though, because orchids can be all sorts of colors, not just this blue, but yeah, I just wanted to get this image done, so once I had an acceptable plan, I just went with it. Not much else to say about these. I like orchids, and I've never drawn them before, so it was a new experience, I suppose. I don't do many flowers, they're not really my thing. I'm remembering now that usually there's like a stick with the vine clipped to it in order to make them fall in this sort of arced shape, but I sort of forgot about that while I was drawing it, and I didn't put any of that in the image, but yeah, you'll just have to imagine that part. I liked doing this one because as I worked, I made the shapes of the petals fit the space of the page, so this one is actually pretty centered. Hooray! Accolades for all! Once I was done filling in the petals, I did some shading and some hatching just to sort of give it a little bit of depth that was looking really flat to me. And then when I added the white highlights with the brush pen, that's when it really popped out. I liked it a lot better then. I was kind of iffy up until that point, if I really liked the picture or not. Right, anyway. I did basically as many as I could fit on this page, and I sort of like it with no background, so I left it as is. And with that, sky blue was check done. See you tomorrow for the next one.